Okay, good morning, class. How are you doing? Can somebody remind us our previous topics? Yes, Victor. Triangle. Okay, Ebube. What? Angles. Can you say something? Triangle. Okay, because of our time. What exactly do we mean by triangle? No, another person. Okay, you? Okay, can you say something?
Triangle is a plane shape that has three sides, three edges, three outer and internal angles.
Thank you, excellent. Because of our time, according to him, a triangle is a plane shape or plane figure that has three vertices, three edges, and three sides. Are we agree with him?
Yes, sir.
That's what we did yesterday. Thank you. Now, well, yesterday we said we have how many types of triangle? Yes, Victor? 6 types of triangle. Can somebody mention the, okay, no, okay.
Obtuse angle, acute angle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and scalene triangle.
Excellent. Clap for him. That's the type of triangle we have. Let me show you here. So this identification of type of triangle. The first one is equilateral triangle. In this case, the size and the angle are equal. And the angle is always what? 60 degrees. Anywhere you see angle that has the same side, the same angle, and the degree of measurement is 60, you know that the name of such angle is equilateral triangle. Then we have isosceles triangle. In this case, the two sides are equal, but one of it is base. Are we together?
Yes.
Then the third one is what? Right angled triangle. In this angle, one of the angle must equal to what? 90 degrees. That is to say, the other two sides will be 45, 45. Are we together?
Yes,
Then the next one is what? Who will tell us? The scalene triangle. In this triangle, we said that all the sides and the angle are different. The side and the triangle are not equal. In that case, you may have the first angle to be 82, the second angle to be 52, and the third angle to be 62. How together? Yes. But when you sum them up, it gives you what? 180 degrees. But all the side and the angle are not equal. Then again, what we have acute angle. In this type of angle, we can identify them by what? Their angle, degree. The first three, you can identify them by what? The sides. But this one, you can only identify it by what? The angle given. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, in this case, all the three angle is less than what? The three angle is less than what?
90 degrees.
It's less than 90 degrees. So it can be the same thing as that of scalene triangle, but what will allow you to know the type of angle is what? The degree, the measurement that is given. All the angle must be less than 90 degrees. Because of our time, we also say we have the obtuse angle. In this case, at least one of the angle must greater than what? Thank you. In that case, we can have one to be 120 degrees, while the other one could be 25 and 35. Are we together?
Yes.
Do you have any question before we continue? Yes.
Why does obtuse triangle just look like a right angle triangle?
Yes, the reason why is this. You know, the right angle triangle, at least one of the angle is equal to what? 90 degrees. But in that acute angle, all the angles is less than what? 90 degrees. That is why I said, in that of right angle triangle, you can identify using the sides. How together? But this one, you identify using the what? The angle given. Thank you. Then let's quickly watch this video clip before we continue. Then this one will give us more cue on how to form and how to identify the triangle,
Let's see how.
the type of triangle.
The first kind of triangle is a triangle which has all its sides equal to each other. To show that they are equal, we put the same mark on each of the sides. This tells us that all three sides are equal. Such triangles are called equilateral triangles.
You always see that all the three sides are equal.
The word by itself tells you that. Equi is equal and lateral is side. The other kind of triangle is a triangle which has two sides equal. Say these two sides. Such triangles are called isosceles triangles.
The one that the two sides is equal are isosceles triangle.
The third type of triangle is the one in which no two sides are equal. Such triangles are called scalene triangles. Remember, the length of each side of the scalene triangle is different from the other. So this was the classification of triangles based on sides.
So what we're saying here is this three angle, we can identify it using the sides, not the angle, but the side.
90 degrees, it is called acute. The angle will look something like this. If it equals 90 degrees, then it's called a right angle, which will look exactly like this. And if it's greater than 90 degrees, then it's called an obtuse angle. This is how it will look. Here's the good news. Triangles are also classified in a similar way. Look at this triangle. All the angles inside are acute. Any guesses on what such triangles are called? Yes, acute triangles. Now look.
No, in that case, the acute triangle, all the three angle less than 90.
When a triangle is a right angle, then it's called a right triangle. It's also referred to as a right angled triangle. Remember, just one angle has to be a right angle for the triangle to be a right triangle. On that note, let me ask you a random question. Can we have two right angles in a triangle? Try making one in your notebook and you will get your answer. The third kind of triangle looks a bit like this. If you observe carefully, you will see that just one angle is obtuse. A triangle in which one angle is obtuse is called an obtuse angle. This angle in the triangle is greater than 90 degrees, which makes it obtuse. So this was the basic classification of triangles.
So there is a basic classification of triangle. The first three shape there, we can identify them by their side, while the other three is by what? Degree, the angle given. Please, because of our time, let's pause here. Now, I told you today that what we're to do, we want to look at the sum of angle in a triangle. When we are talking of sum, what exactly are we referring to in mathematics? Yes, Pete. The addition. Now, what is the sum of triangle? You know, we say a triangle is the plane that have three sides and three angles. Then what will be the sum of this triangle? Yes?
180.
All the triangle given, whether it is isosceles, scalene, right angle, whatever, their sum must equal to what? 180 degree. That is, when you want to add the angle, maybe at times two angles will be given, you have to look for the other one. Like that of isosceles triangle, we say the two sides are equal and one of it is what? Base. So despite that, the sum of it must equal to what? 180 degree. Now let's look at example. You can open your textbook with me so that we can do it together. What is the page?
273.
Nice one. So you study at home. Thank you. Now let's go to example 6. Well, in there we have 3 questions. So the topic for this morning is sum of angle and what? Triangle. And we said the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The example 1 there, we said find the marked angle. So from that shapes, the angle given, we'll have to find the lettered. Then we'll have something like this. Then this side is what? We'll have it to be 82 degrees. And this side is what? Y. That's lettered. This side is what? Z. That's letter. And here is what? X. Also unknown. Why this one is what? 38. Now, with this now, what you have to do is to flash back to what? The property of angle. Then, this one is what? Thank you. So it is to flash back to what? The property of angle. See, we said the sum of this triangle is 180. But we can have what? Another exterior angle there. That is not part of this one. Are we together? You know, under the property of angle, well, we have a line that cross each other. There's something happen there. Are we together? For instance, when you have a line that forms something like X, this one will give us what? This angle will be equal to what? What's the name of this angle? Yes? The vertically opposite angle. And what happened to vertically opposite angle? Yes? The angle are equal. Let's apply the method here. Check this side and this one. What's the difference? How together? It means this is a line that cross each other. This one forward an exterior angle. Is that clear? So therefore, we want to solve for y, z, and x. Let's start with where? Y. So with this method, the property of triangle or angle, our y will be what now? Yes. Our y will equal to 82 degrees. Why? Why is it like that? No, another person from this row. Why is it 82 degrees? You know, y is not given. And we said our y is equal to 82 degrees. What is the law that proved that? Yes? The opposite angle are equal. I believe that one is clear to everybody. Yes. Now, what's the next thing? We want to find z. How together? Now, let's consider this y and z. What happened from the property of angle? Not Victor, no? This rule, yes? Thank you. In that case, to find z, let's try to find angle z now. It's equal to what? Y equal to z. Why? Because angle on a straight line no, not. That is to say, y plus z is equal to what? 180 degrees. Why? The angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. What's the value for y? Y is 82 degrees. Plus z, which is unknown, is equal to what? 180 degree. Then we have it to what? Z is equal to what? 80 minus what? 82. Then that will give us what? 98 degrees. Are you sure? Yes. So therefore we have our z now to be equal to what? 98 degree. Now we're left with what? X. How are we going to find the value for x? Can somebody explain that one? Yes, Peter.
You add the 8 degrees plus your y.
You know what we're to do? This one now is what? A triangle. And we said that the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to what? 180 degrees. It means 38 plus x plus y must give us what? 180 degree. And now we know the value for y, and this one is 38. We left with what? X. So to get the value for x, or to find the value for x now, we add these two together and minus it from 180. That is sum of this angle. Okay? So therefore, x now, that is to x now, will give us what? X plus 38 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So x is unknown yet, plus 38 plus 82 is equal to what? 180 degree. Then our x now is equal to what? 180 minus 38 plus 82. Are we together? Yes. At this junction, do you have question? Is it clear to you? Yes. Okay. So we have our x now to be equal to what? 38 plus 82. One what? That will give us 1 minus 120, all in degree. It means our x now is equal to what? 60 degree. And that's all about the question. Is it clear to you? Yes. All right, it in your note now. And let's continue. Please, if you are not clear, let me know. Because I'm going to give you class work. Yes? You are not clear? Where? Is it from here? Okay. Can you recognize this angle? What was the name of this angle? You don't know it. What was the name of this angle? Class, what was the name of this angle? Why is it acute triangle? Thank you. Because all the angle given are less than 90. Very good. And the sum, the sum of this angle is equal to what? 180. Now, under property of angle, we prove that of corresponding angle. Said they are what? Equal. Corresponding angle are equal. Then alternate angle are what? Equal. Are also equal. Angle on the straight line is what? Equal. No, angle on the straight line. Added together to give us what? 180. Then we also have what? Vertical opposite angle. And we said they are what? Class. Yeah. Then the next thing, we also prove that the two opposites of interior angle is equal to what? 180. Is equal to exterior angle. Are we together? If you want to prove that one now, the angle is what? 60. And this one is what? 38. This two angle is interior opposite to what? Z. Are we together? On your own now, add these two angles together. 60 plus 38 will give us what? 98. And what's our answer for this one? 98. Can we see that? It means the two interior angle opposite to opposite to exterior are what? The same thing as that exterior angle. Now, from this one now said, I'm referring to you now, y is equal to what? Because this angle is equal to this angle. Vertical opposite angle are equal. Then we want to find z. Then y and z, for you to know angle on a straight line is anywhere you can form arc. Look at this. When you have something like this, anywhere you're able to form something like half of a circle is angle on a straight line. And here, this junction is like this. Is that clear? So therefore, we have this one to be y, and we have this one to be what? Z. So y plus z must equal to what? 180, because they are what? Angle on a straight line. That's how we get this one. So from there, our y is 82. Then 82 plus z is equal to what? 180. You now collect the like time. It's now equation, simple equation. To collect the like time now, what will you do? You are rearrange, make z the subject of the formula. So z is equal to 180 minus what? 82. When you minus 82 from 180, what have it to be what? 98 degree. Is that one clear to you now? Now, to find the value for x, we now revert to what? The triangle itself. The angle here plus y plus x must give us what? 180. Now, this one is given, and we know this one to be what? 82. What we're to do is to add these two angles together and minus it from what? The sum of this angle, which is 180. That's exactly what happened here. X plus 38 plus y is equal to 180. Then x now is equal to what? X plus 38 plus what? 82 equal to 180. So x is equal to this one now. That is sum of the triangle. 180, this one to added together, minus it from this. That's why we have minus, and these two, x 38 plus 82. So when you add these two together, give us what? 120. Minus it from what? 180. Then we left with what? 60. Let's continue. Now, example 2. I believe that question 2, you're able to solve it. Yes, let's solve question 3. It's somehow complex. Check that question 3. What happened there? So we have things like, we have two angles. We have something like this. Am I right? Yes, sir. Then we have another one. Like this. We have this. Then the value of this angle is what? Check for me there.
25 degrees.
Huh? 25 degree. This one is what? 18 degree. This one is given 75 degree. But this one is not given. What of this angle? A. Is this one given? B. Now what we're to do is to find what? And this one is what? C. The marked angle. I'm coming. We want to solve for A, B, and C. If you take a look this angle very well, we have two triangles. That is to say, let's assume this one is our capital A, B, C, and this one be D. Now let this one be something like E. Angle ABC is one triangle. Is that not? And angle DAE is another triangle. Is that clear to you now? Now, to solve for, let's first solve for what? A. We can use two methods. Let me explain it very well. The first method is that you can prove using what? The sum of angle in a triangle. Are we together? But mind you, A is not exactly what? The sum of this part of this angle is exterior to this angle. Are we together? A is exterior to what? These two angles. That is to say, these two angles is opposite interior to what? A. That is what? This one is, these two angles is opposite interior to angle what? A. That is exterior. Or you can add these two together, minus it from 180 to get what? This angle. Let's label, you can label this one as what? A1. That A1 is just for you to identify the difference between A1 and the one given in question. Are we together? Now, we can use two methods now. The first one, these two angles can be added together. That will give us this, A. Or we add these two angles together, minus it from sum of this angle to get this one, and these two angles will now give us what? Angle on a straight line. Therefore, you minus the result from 180 and get your A. Is that clear? Let's continue. Let's solve for A. A is equal to what? 75 degree plus what? 25 degree. Which give us what? A is equal to what? 100 degree. I told you that this two angle is opposite interior angle to A. I will say the sum of two opposite angle to what? Exterior angle is equal to that exterior angle. If you could still remember from the property of angle. Is that clear? Yes. Or the second method, you could use, add these two together plus this one. It gives us A1 plus 75 plus 25, which will equal to what? 180 degree. Is that clear? So A1, which is unknown, plus this one is what? 100 is equal to 180 degree. So A1 now is equal to what? Plus, okay, equal to 180 minus what? 100. Sorry. Then that is to say A1 now is equal to what? 80 degree. Remember, A1 is not this A, is this angle. It means we get this angle to what? 80. And therefore, A plus that of A1 will give us what? 180 degree. And we don't know what? A. Is that clear? Yes. Now, our A now will be equal to what? 180 minus A1. But instead of using A1, we use the value for what? A1. That's what? 80 minus 80. So A now is equal to what? 100. Are they not the same? So you can use this method or this method. Then what else again? Let's solve for what? B. Now, you know this one now is now 100. This one is what? 18. To solve for B, what will you do? Can somebody tell us? Yes?
Add your A plus your 18, you minus it from 180.
Okay. Why? What is the law that proves that?
Because all angles are equal to 180.
Or the sum of triangle is equal to 180. Correct. Therefore, it means what we have here, add this to this 18, minus it from 180 to get our B. Let's do that. You are true with this side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So therefore, we have our A is, sorry, B to be equal to what? What's the value for A? 100 plus what? 18 is equal to what? Sorry, let's use this one to be plus first. 180. So B now is equal to 180 plus that minus 100 plus 18. 118 degree. Then our B now is equal to what? 62 degree. To find C, let's do that one within seconds. What will happen? We can use two methods, is that not? What's the method? That base it on angle on a straight line. Or we use what? The sum of, bless you, because of our time, let's use this one alone. That's angle on a straight line. Then it will give us what? C is equal to what? 180 minus 18. So C is equal to what? 62 degree. Any question? In answer of question, let's pause here. Class work. From that your textbook, check question number 2. Question 2. You know, I solved that 1 and 3. So that 2 is very simple. do it on your own now. Yes? Yes, that's page 273. So, because of our time, we don't have much time. No? What's the time? Okay. We only have 4 minutes. What? Do what I asked to do. If you have any complaint, you can call me so that we do it together. Okay, do what I asked you to do. This one, this question. I believe it's very simple. If you are true, let me know. It will be, you are still on it. Hurry up. Yes, you are true. Excellent. Thank you. Later I will collect it together. Excellent. You are true. Correct. I'm coming, I will check it. As you are doing that, let me quickly give you assignments. You know, I told you the reason why you have textbook is for you to read at home. Is that not? So from page 275. Okay, let's 274. Exercise 20.8. Are you there? Yes. Solve question 1, 2, and 3. A similar angle to all this one. To be submitted tomorrow. Correct. Correct. This is what I asked to do. 1, 2, 3. If you are true, you can submit one by one after the other. Don't disorganize my class. Put it there. Thank you. 2 more minutes. My time is up already.